Excellent. Thank you so much. So good morning, everybody. Good afternoon if you are this afternoon there. Really appreciate the time and the opportunity to get connected today to speak a little bit about SPS as an Acumatica choice for EDI and how we leverage that. So with that, I want to get started with SPS and what we do. So we're about 2,000 employee based here in Minneapolis, Minnesota. We're a publicly traded company. Exciting news. Last Friday, we just announced the 83rd consecutive quarter of positive growth. So that's really exciting. And I really wanted to share with you a little bit about our approach to the market, how we handle EDI and the complexity that goes with it. And just wanted to demonstrate our understanding of the marketplace. And over the past 20 years, we really see the people that often pick up the phone and call SPS trying to solve for their problem what fall into one of these four categories or four buckets, if you will. New customer, they are just start doing business with one of the big retailers, Targets and Costco of the world, and they got slapped with EDI requirements and it's new to them. Or, they have a little more experience and they're working with multiple channels and adding more trading partners, and that's when they come to us. Or the third category really is when they need one EDI provider that handle all their needs and avoid chargebacks and simplify really the complexity that goes with EDI. Or simply if you're in advanced stage and you're looking to change from another system and you're coming to Acumatica and looking to have someone that can solve for all your EDI problem. So really, we know the marketplace. We really know the complexity that goes with fulfilling orders. And when we look at across, customer base of over 25,000 plus customers and suppliers that we have. So we're not only bringing the technology and the tools to the table, we back it up with the people and the expertise. So it really enables us to deliver an industry-leading full service EDI solution. And with the changes that happened last year with COVID and the shutdown and all the craziness, we start looking at a lot of businesses changing their distribution model and going more into the Omnichannel, which basically diversifying their channels and making sure they are all connected. So if you're thinking of Amazon Marketplace, Target, Walmart, the marketplaces, or the e-commerce, if you're connecting to Shopify or Magento, or wholesale if you are still working with the big retail box. So SPS manage all that for you, and you don't have to be the expert in connecting all these into Acumatica. We simply can manage all that, and we have the connection already built for that. So when we look at SPS as a whole, if we take a step back, we've been talking about the middle piece, the order data. But if we're looking at SPS as a whole, we're more than just cloud technology. We provide customer with full service delivery with all of our solution. So in order to really effectively plan, order, and sell product across all your channels, detailed and robust item data is essential. So if we look on this slide from the left to the right, so the item data, really our offering gives you the ability to exchange across all of your trading partner in the format they want. So you have some of your retailers will be speaking item data 1, 2, 3, others will be speaking item data ABC. So really, you don't have to manage multiple databases and constantly update that. SPS will be able to take over that burden and will automate that for you and translate that and send it to your trading partners. And if we go, so great, we managed to give them the information data. We start sending order, receiving orders, and selling. Now you want to really have an insight on the sales data. How are your items selling on the East Coast versus the West Coast? You want to be better prepared for that. So data analytic really enables you to enhance planning efforts, measure ROI on promotion, optimize your inventory, and the really validate the sell-through data that feeds, so you can focus on using the insight to make informed business decision based on real-time data. And if we look at the bottom, the customer onboarding. So if you are a buyer, having a technology is really important, but without the critical item, order data, and sales data from your trading partners, you're limited the ability to operate more smarter business. Our onboarding solution really helps you implement a proven process with your trading partners and drive data exchange and really make that an integral part of your day-to-day operation. So mentioned a couple times, SPS is the full EDI provider. So let's take SPS out for a second and let's think about what does full service EDI mean. So to be able to have a full service, you really need all these 7 components. Managed service out there, they may be able to give you 2 or 3 of these components. So if we start with the technology, really over the past 20 years, SPS was able to build a very robust technology from mapping to cross-referencing, translation, and the hardware. And not only that, but gives you a trading partner expertise, sales data, order fulfillment, and the design and configuration, getting everything planned to match your day-to-day data and business rules. And each trading partner have their own protocols or communications. So if it's AS2, WAN, SFTP, API, you name it, you don't have to worry about that or pay separate service to be able to communicate. And then testing and launching, the requirement, the expertise that comes with that before you go live with automating into Acumatica. And then it doesn't really stop there, the ongoing support. So managing that communication with multiple trading partners that you have, and you don't really need to be the expert or having EDI really as a core competency for you. And then the visibility and the reporting that we talked about, and the ongoing support that goes with it when Target of the world or Walmart change a specification to their maps. You don't have to really worry about going and updating that yourself or having to go through the testing process. When a change like that happens, really is Target will notify us, SPS, about the changes, and we go proactively update all the maps for the 25,000 customers that have those maps with Target, and we simply will notify you with these changes. So our asset, our strength lies with the 90,000 pre-map connection and the system partner relationship. So if you're ShipStation or PaceJet and Acumatica, in our example here, where we are natively built and integrated with, and relationship with the 3PLs, if your business expanding and you're looking to add 3PLs, we've already have those relationships established, and the security that goes with it, the HIPAA compliance, the ISO 27001, and all that. So we take security very, very serious here. So let's take a look at Acumatica Specific and the solution we've developed. We're proudly Acumatica choice, meaning we're the EDI endorsed. If you were on the previous session with John, when mentioned the Acumatica choice that they're able to deliver, you saw SPS up there. So over the 8 years of partnership with Acumatica, we have over 175 happy customers that are connected to over 1,600 trading partners, We won numerous awards with Acumatica, and the most recent one, the most innovative solution this year at the summit. The past couple of years were ISV Choice of the Year. So when looking at managing relationship and EDI, where you have your orders, your invoices, advanced ship notice with multiple trading partners, each trading partner one, have a certain requirements and mapping requirements different from the other three here on this example. And their connectivity, their protocols, if it's AS2 or WAN or FTP, it varies from one to another. And then once you take all that information, you need to know where to map it within Acumatica, where the invoice and the accounting fields go, where the shipping, the order data, and all that. So it really, we try to untangle that complex EDI, like I said. So if we look at how we approach that, so you will have your Acumatica with SPS natively built into it. That's your connection to all the trading partners, all the retailers. So we manage that connection for you. We standardize the data. We understand your business rules and management and the communication. We validate all that, and we give you the visibility and reporting. And that's really, we handle all these connection to all your trading partners. And when it comes business growth and you're adding a new channel or a new trading partners, we already have that established connection within your system, and we have that expertise and the experience and all these maps already pre-built to over 90,000 connections. So it really just bringing that into your system and testing it and going live. So here I wanted to share with you just a screenshot of the latest Acumatica instance and SPS, how it lives, just a separate tab on the left side here where you see SPS Commerce EDI. So you can manage all your EDI transactions. So if it's a purchase order, if it's ASN, if it's PO acknowledgement, the cross-reference tables, everything lives natively within your Acumatica instance, and you don't need to leave Acumatica to bring in an order. You don't need to leave Acumatica to send a PO. Everything is natively built in, and it's much easier when you have, excuse me, when you have a new staff member, when you have something new joining your team, training them on Acumatica, you don't need to train them and show them how to use a separate portal for EDI to be able to bring orders or communicate with the rest of the team. So, FullService EDI. So, SPS is really the only service EDI solution that, what does that mean to you? So you get the technology. We just saw how it's natively built within Acumatica and the tool. So you also get the EDI team, the people and the expertise that manage EDI. So where we come in is where we know we are different. So we have the technology that year after year leads the marketplace, but also important that we have a team of experts that will be assigned to your business to get you set up and running, to make that technology work really like it's supposed to. And we support the ongoing to ensure that you continue the process, order efficiency and effectively. So we're really proud to be Acumatica choice, and we know EDI is complex. So you're not only getting the technology piece, but you're getting the people, the resources, and the proven process. We know EDI is complex, so you don't really need to be, doesn't have to be one of your core competencies. We take that burden off your plate, and we become an extension to you and your customer. We become your EDI department, really. And how how we do that is we bring the tools, the people, and the expertise that I mentioned here. With that, if you have any questions, I have contact information here, resources. I'll be available throughout. And if we have anything came in through the chat, I didn't see that. So I'm just going to exit the slides here so I'll be able to see the chats and respond to them. With that, that's all I have. I really appreciate everybody that joined today. And I'm available, my contact information and my direct phone number. Feel free to reach out. Thank you, everybody.